My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. Prejudice is a chain. It can hold you. If you prejudice, you can't move. You keep prejudice for years. Never get nowhere with that. Love would never leave us alone. Every time I plant a seed, he say kill it before it grow. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. When one door is closed, don't you know that many more are open? You have to be someone. You just can't live in that negative way. Make way for the positive day. Wake up and live. Love the life you live the life you love. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? You can fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. The biggest coward is a man who awakens a woman's love, with no intention of loving her. Man is a universe within himself. Don't let the past steal your present. The road of life is rocky, and you may stumble too. So while you point your fingers, someone else is judging you. In the abundance of water, the fool is thirsty. Judge not, before you judge yourself. None but ourselves can free our minds. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. When the root is strong, the fruit is sweet. Herb is the healing of a nation, alcohol is the destruction. I don't stand for black man's side. I don't stand for white man's side. I stand for God's side. What we need is awareness. We can't get careless.